Hey everyone, how are you? In this video, we are going to solve the lead code problem of the day, and the problem is maximum 69 number. I mean, this is the ultra easy question. You can see it is easy, but I would say it is ultra easy because in this question, you are given a positive integer num, that's our input, consisting of only two digits. It can be either 6 or can be either 9. So you are given a number which is composed of 6 or 9. We need to return the maximum number we can create or we can get by changing at most one digit. From the given input num, we are allowed to change at most one digit. And what's the change? We can make 6 as 9 or 9 as 6. That is 6 becomes 9 and 9 becomes 6. That's the only change we can do, and we can do it only once. Now the thing is guys, we have to return the maximum number, right? If we change a digit 9 to 6, my number will become smaller, right? I have to return the maximum number possible. Although I have two different operations which I can do, which is I can make 6 as 9 or 9 as 6, but since I have to return the maximum number, there is no use of this operation, that is converting my 9 to 6. That will just decrease my number. It means I have to do just one operation, which is I have to make 6 as 9, and I can do it at most once. Now the thing is, let's go through the input and we will be able to solve the problem by just going through the input. If the number is 9669, we are allowed to do one change, that is change any digit and make 6 as 9 or 9 as 6. I'm not going to change 9 to 6. If I change 9 to 6, my number goes smaller. I will always do one thing, that is make 6 as 9. And now, which 6 should I make as 9? See, the thing is, if my number is 9669, I will see the first digit, it is 9, no need to change. The second digit, it is 6, we could change it. The next digit is also 6, we could change it as well. The next digit is 9, no need to change, right? Now which digit do you want to change? Of course the first digit, right? Or the digit which is in the left side. Changing that digit will make my number more bigger or increase my number with more magnitude as compared to changing the digit which is in the right hand side. If I change this to 9, this will be 9 6, right? 9969. Instead of that, if I change this particular 6 to 9, it will be 9699. Of course 9969 is bigger than 9699, so it's a very simple problem. You just go through the digit. The moment you see a 6, change it to 9, you are done. No need to do any further thing. But if you have an input something like this where all the digits are 9, you don't need to do any change. The problem says that you can do at most one change, so I won't do the change, right? So let's actually solve the problem. And what's the easy way to solve it? See, the thing is, I want to loop through the digits, right? So I want to make this a string or a list, but I cannot directly convert a number to a list because I have to do changes as well. Instead of converting it to a string, I would want to use a list because I want to change a particular digit. So what I can do is I can say, first of all, let me convert it to a string, because a number cannot directly be converted to a list, but string can be converted to a list. So I could say, let's convert it to a list. So now my number will be a list, and this will look something like this: 9, 6, 6, 9. I will just go through my data, and the moment I see a 6, I will do the change. So what I can do is I can say, for I in the range of length of num, if num of I is equal to 6. The moment I see this, what I will say, num of I is equal to 9, and I can break. The reason is I have to do the change just once, and once I do the change, I don't need to process further. Now I can return my list, but actually I have to return the number, right? So first of all, let me do the opposite of what I did here. First of all, let me convert my list to a string and then string to a number. So let's return this, and we are going to first convert it to a string. So we can say dot join the num, and then convert it to integer, and I think that should do it. Let me just run this to verify the sample test cases. These are fine. Let's submit this, and this should be fine, guys. So let us see this. Yes, the time complexity is really good. The memory used is fine as well. I mean, we are using some memory, which is fine. So I think we have solved the problem in a very efficient manner, and I think it is very important to solve the problem in an efficient manner. As you can see, I have solved it in a very efficient manner, but there was a time I solved it in a really bad way, I would say. Let me show you that solution. So I once solved this problem in this way. I don't know why this code looks so big. I think these were my starting days, so I think it is fine. But yeah, you can see the journey, right? I have solved the problem in this way. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I have to go through it to understand what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to achieve. But this particular solution doesn't look good. But what we have right now, it is very much readable, and it is very optimized as well. If you got to know something from this video, then make sure that you hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, then make sure that you do so. And I will see you guys in the next video. I want to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.